Hey there, Riley from McNaught with another great certified truck. This is our 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. Now this thing's fully loaded and basically brand new with only 11,000 kilometers on it. You've got the powerful 6.2 liter V8 option under the hood with an 8-speed automatic transmission for great highway fuel economy. You've got those HID headlights on the front with your LED surround running lights, fog lamps, and a chrome front bumper with your parking sensors. Now taking a look down here, you've got your 20-inch polished aluminum wheels on brand new all-season tires here. Look at the tread left on those tires. Like I said, only 11,000 kilometers on the odometer. Now you do have the chrome mirror caps, door handles, and 6-inch side steps. And on the mirrors themselves, you do have your turn signal indicators. As we work our way around the back end, you do have the Line-X spray and bed liner. Don't have to worry about getting your box scratched up. You've got the rear assist step here in the bumper, as well as your rear park sensors, your trailer hitch, and your backup camera. Now you've also got the easy lower lift tailgate, which is not going to slam when you open that up. And last but not least, you do also have remote start in this truck, so it's going to be a great option here in the wintertime or the summertime. It's going to either heat up or cool down your cabin to a comfortable temperature before you step in. Now taking a look inside the Sierra SLT, you've got the black leather interior. Now the front seats are heated as well as cooled, which is a pretty nice option. Got the fully power adjustable controls with your lumbar support. Just next to the steering wheel itself, you're going to find your trailer brake controller, your auto 4x4, and your headlight controls. Now the driver's door panel itself does feature your memory seat settings, your power adjustable and power folding side view mirrors, one touchdown windows, as well as your Bose premium audio system. Now taking a seat inside the Sierra, we're going to go over some of the main selling features about this truck here. Starting off on the front here, steering wheel is leather wrapped with your heated steering wheel option. You've got the forward collision alert and cruise controls on the left, as well as your hands-free call buttons and 5-point command center on the right. Now that 5-point command center I was talking about is going to configure that center digital display that you have here on the front dash. All your vehicle information is going to be located right there in front of you. Now the column shifter itself does feature your tow mode and manual shifting, as well as putting it into reverse will activate your backup camera and the forward and rear parking sensors. Now speaking of your backup camera, you've also got on the 8-inch touchscreen display navigation, projection for Apple CarPlay. You've got Bluetooth phone pairing, as well as Sirius XM radio, which is going to come standard for the first 3 months. You've also got access to download more apps through the App Store, basically, which is going to allow you to download stuff like the Weather Network, Pandora Radio, and much more. Now you've got the CD player down below for those who want it, as well as your hard radio controls and dual zone climate controls right here with the LCD display showing you what temperature you're set at. You've got the 9-way heated and cooled front seats, as well as a few options down here, which I'm going to touch on real quick. Power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, your box light, your parking sensors, lane departure warning, as well as hill descent assist. Now what I love about these GM trucks is all the connectivity options. You've got some high powered USB ports. You've got the DC charge outlet, as well as your full 120 volt wall outlet if you want to plug in a work laptop while you're on the go. You've also got the wireless charging mat for the iPhone 8 or other Android compatible phones, as well as some more USB ports and another DC outlet hidden inside the armrest. Now as we work our way up here on the rear view mirror, you've got the OnStar buttons located down below, garage door transmitter, you've got the slide and tilt sunroof controls, as well as your power sliding rear window. And here's a better look at that sunroof. And because this is a crew cab model, you've got plenty of legroom back here for 3 more adult passengers. In case you need the space for storage rather than people, you're able to fold up those seats against the wall to allow for some nice flat storage. You've got the DC outlet on the back console, as well as some storage compartments right within. So overall, pretty spacious interior in the front and back. So all in all, if you were looking at getting into a brand new truck, but you perhaps want to save a little bit of money, this is a great option here with only 11,000 kilometers on the odometer. The previous owner kept this thing in mint condition and traded it right back into us. So this thing is ready to go if you are interested in it. So feel free to contact us at McNaught, and our sales professionals would be glad to help you out.